Hello everyone, welcome to Trends and Support. So today we got a slightly positive upside movement as expected, but today's low is not convinced one. See, I already mentioned this. This is the our rising channel here, and it was moving and it made a W pattern formation that is like a completion and the double top. So that time I mentioned it was forming like a dragon pattern. So, and this is the support line also mentioned. Once today it's broken here, that was around here, 25 8 8 sorry 25 6 90 range, and you can see the after that it made a low of 25 645 range. So this 645 I cannot see a proper support in the as per the trend line. Let's see tomorrow. And now we got a positive upside movement, and if you draw a line here, this one also close above a positive note. But if tomorrow this one is around the support is around 25 720 range. This support is nearly above this 25 7. Here it's showing 25 730 range, so you can count as a 25 720. If we fell below this 720, then we have another support around here, that means 25 6 76 range, 76 to 677 range. So this is the support in the next support 25 677 range. And you can see this is, if this rising channel broken, then it should have to be move like a little more downside. So I am expecting a target around here, that means 25 600 to 25 575 range. So tomorrow expiry also, so we can see a wild movement or like a little more volatility movement. And if you see this one we broken here, and this M pattern also broken. So if you calculate here, this is the range, sorry, this drawing. So we are almost touch this resistance. So you can see this resistance here, that means 25 803 range. So we almost touch this resistance too. So there this pullback already touch a resistance. So if we came down and once again break this line, so we will have a downside movement for this next support. And that will be around I'm expecting around 25 575 to 570 range, or 25 600 range. So it's expiry, so we cannot predict anything exactly. So you have to take a combo tomorrow. So expiry combo, the I will explain with the 25 800 combo with the chart. And the upper side target after this 25 800 above, so we will have a small resistance around 1 minute, around 830 range, so 835 range. So this is another drawing will come here around 830 range, and the above we will have a 25 890 range. So the expiry, if we go to upper side, then it will be 25 890, then 930 to 940 range. So we can move this way. Or other side, the downside support, if this one broken, then we will have a support around 670 75 range, and mostly the expiry will be 25 600 or 6 25 575 range. So that's it for Nifty, and I will explain the Nifty options chart with the combo. This is a 25 800 CE chart. It's slightly positive above this 50 59 to 60, and this can move towards here, that is around 89 to 90 range. And if we cross above, then this can move to 120 22 to 135 35 to 139 range. then maximum we can expect 175, but it's a little more difficult to go above 140. But it's expiry, we cannot say, we cannot predict exactly what it's going, because the expiry move. And we will have a slightly downside, that means negative support around below 50. That means below 50, this one is not good. So this may go to more downside. And now, so this is support is 50. And tomorrow if we get a combo around 55 to 50 range, you can take 25,800 combo. It's depend on which strike we will get exactly when the markets open. So now we go to check 25,800 PE chart. So this 25,800 PE, little more convincing one. And so you see this one got a breakout here, this line. And previously I also mentioned this is little more positive. And see this if we cross support is around 73 range, we close the support today. And the upper side resistance is 91 to 92 range, and above this 109. And if this one come to here, this is 50 range. That means the PE and CE mostly will come, I told you that 50 to 55 range. So this is the support of PE also. So this can maybe come down here and can move here, that means this ways. So this will be like this is the way it can move here and here. So the targets around 154 to 156 range. So that is PE, and the levels of different levels are already marked. If it's fell below this 45, then it's a little more negative towards 19, or it can move towards 0. So that's it from my side of this what to call Nifty combo and Nifty options chart. Now we go to check Bank Nifty now. This Bank Nifty chart, and you can see this like W, or here this is W, or it can called as M pattern also. So it was taking a support here around 57,700 range, and it forming like a W. I already mentioned the resistance around 58,280 range, and we made it 58,240. Today's movement of Nifty mostly according to this Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty little more stronger than Nifty today. So the resistance is coming now 58,370 range, 370 to 380 range. Then we will get a W pattern breakout. And you see this after this one, this can move towards 58,700 to 750. And this 59,070, the weekly pending target of Bank Nifty. That means Bank Nifty weekly chart, it's showing a target of 59,070 range. So let's see in the coming days also. If we get a breakout here, that means 58 to 370, then we may slightly positive upside movement towards the target. So that's it from my side for the Bank Nifty. Hope you get a brief idea about this Nifty and Bank Nifty, and even the combo strategy. You can trade with these levels, and once you get a breakout, you can use the call option for a higher side target, and you can keep the stop loss for down below supports. Same like if you get a breakdown, then you can use a call put option. You can buy a put option and keep stop loss above the next resistance, and you can hold on for this downside targets. So that's it from my side of this tomorrow expiry levels. And if you like this video, you can share this one to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubts, and ask me in the comment box. Thank you.